Right, so Adam, I'm going to try and get through the process of making an artist website from scratch through an automated web design program that I built. Are you ready?
I'm ready, dude.
Okay, it's going to be a little bit odd because I've got speech commands. I've built voice activated software, so I'm going to say stuff and it's going to sound a little bit odd. Right, Liam website. Okay, so to build an artist website, usually you'd have like the category pages. So I'll open one up. See, what do you think of this actually, Adam?
Yes.
What do you think
What
of
do I
it?
think of what do I think of this? I have
Yeah.
no idea what it means.
No, but what do you think of this site?
It's cool.
Yeah.
I like the sort of yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Nice and minimalist, it's not too bright.
Yeah, it was basically what the guy asked for, and it would have taken a really long time to build. And what we wanted to do is to have a page for each picture so that we can have a page rank for each piece of art. So that we could see what was more popular and stuff like that. Things like that, you can't really see that in a slideshow, and that would be the cheapest way to do it. But what that means is you end up making like 198 pages to do that. It's very laborious work.
Right.
So what I did is I wrote a program that generated the pages from folders. So all he had to do was give me his original pictures, um, all named correctly, so that titles can be used for the titles of a page, the keywords, the actual link to the picture, the category, and everything like that. So it's generating an entire site just based on a picture of folders. Folder of pictures. So
Mm.
you still with me?
I'm with you.
Okay.
And you've created it that way to allow the website and
Well,
yourself to
what it
track.
means is if he wants to take pictures away or add pictures, all he has to do is just send me a new picture or a folder of pictures. Or even if he wants to add a new category, he just has to send that to me, and all I do is run my program. So let me just bring that up. File doc. Yeah, so here we go. We've got the program here. So what we're going to do now is generate the entire website in about 5 seconds. So I'm going to delete those files just to prove to you that it's not some, some little trick. So there you go. It's all empty now. And I go to the program, and I simply run the generator for it, and then you can see the files are back in the folder. It's written all those files, and we've got, because we've generated it, we could do some extra stuff, and we could do loads of extra stuff. So when you click on the title, you've got an individual email form for each picture. So are you still with me, Adam?
I'm with you, buddy.
Wicked. He's just making sure this is followable.
Well, I'm trying not to interject too much because I don't want.
Yeah. What do
I
you
mean,
think? What do you think of the system?
I think that you don't need to explain the inner and outer workings of it. I think that
But
yeah,
it's
you
pretty
can.
cool, right? Because you can
It's pretty cool. It's very cool. It's
just
very
dunk a
cool.
folder of pictures, and then you can generate a site and then fill in all the information for it.
Right.
But you're like able to sell your artwork from literally day one.
That's cool. Yeah. So I mean, is this right? Okay. So
It's
each slide we're seeing here is actually a page itself.
Yeah,
Right.
its own web page, which means it's going to come up in Google image search. It's going
Yep.
to come up as its own page if people look for it, and like if somebody types in white roses oil painting, it's got a better chance of actually being found.
Right.
And also it's easier to sell your artwork when the people don't have to go to the page and select the text and then go to the contact page and then fill all the things in. Instead of doing that, you just click on the thing, and each painting has has its own stuff. So I'm gonna send that to myself. Oh, sorry, that's the offline version. Let me just go onto the actual site. It's password protected at the moment because we don't want people looking at it just yet. So yeah, let's put some numbers in there. Okay, so I'm just gonna send that to myself. Go to email. There we go. So that's what you'd get. You get the guy's email, his name, his phone number, the painting he's interested in, what he wrote, and a link to the painting, so you know what painting he's looking for. It's pretty cool.
It is very cool.
It's just a neat little system that is kind of generic to most artworks, and it's cool because you can just update it by sending me a file, and it takes me, well, you just saw that took about 5 minutes. And yeah, what else is there to say? Have you got any questions?
If I wanted to come to you and just sell a couple of pictures without actually having a website.
No. No, I wouldn't do that. Look, just a couple of pictures. Just go on Etsy and sell your artwork on there.
I guess so. Yeah.
It's free. They just take a commission. But if you've got like this guy, you've got hundreds of paintings, like a whole arsenal, and he also wants to put sold paintings up online to show, you know, to attract commissions and stuff like that. So we've still yet to add a little thing there to say which ones are sold, how big they are, what medium it's in, and what year it was done in, and stuff like that. Size, etc. They're also copy protected as well. You can't just save the picture from the site. Obviously, you know, if someone's a medium level hacker, they'd be able to get to them, but most people wouldn't be able to get copies of them.
Right, good stuff.
So yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it was all clear. Do you think it was all clear, Adam?
I think it's all clear, all go.
Wicked, man.
Watch this space.
So, yeah, please share and like if you've got a chance to do that. Thank you.